Okay, I already shut off the power at the circuit breaker. Also the GFC, it already tripped a while back yesterday. Now I just unscrewed this fitting here. And it is gnarly. It smells bad and it is all black and gross. There's this little nasty little thing here. Super nasty. Ugh. I'm just gonna take this off next, I guess. All right, and by the way, this is 5/8 horsepower. It's way more than 4 years old, I can guarantee that. It's at least 11 years old, probably more. And a new one is only a 1-year warranty with a 3rd horsepower. And this disposer came with this hardware, 2 screws, this Allen wrench, a seal, this, and this in case I need it. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but we'll see. This just pulled right off, but be careful because when I yanked it off, the force just, I hit that and I didn't want to, but it's not broken or anything. Luckily, it's pretty strong. And it's gnarly inside too. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's pretty gross. Pretty gross. Ugh. This is a nasty job, but somebody's got to do it. Okay, so I just pulled this right off. And I know you guys really want to see how gross it is, but... Okay, next thing I did was let this off. It covered right here. Oops. So this thing covered right here. All these wiring. I also loosened this wire a little bit. And it was all held on by that screw right there. And so you can see a good look at that. Maybe I can, I don't want to touch any of those wires yet. I shut off the breaker that was labeled garbage disposal. And of course I can't see back there. To me it looks like it just goes straight into the wall. Got this multimeter, but I also got this no contact device. See, the lights up green, and I'm gonna put it real close to all of this. Oops, you see it's still green. Just testing anywhere I can. If it starts turning red or flashing bright or anything, then we are not good. Something is still hot. But everything's green so far, and I haven't undone the wire caps yet, but so far, so good. Nothing turning red.